out this 1970 Chevelle SS Tribute. This vehicle did not start life as a SS, so just let you know up front, it is a Tribute. Nicely done one, some black stripes, some badging, nice little look to it. This particular car, we know the history of it from the past, I would say 8-9 years. This car actually came in on a trade back then, say 7, 8, 9 years ago. It was a nice car. Gentleman was upgrading to a big block Chevelle, so he traded this one in. This particular car is a 350. Took it in at that time and then sold it to the previous owner, who now, after that 6, 7, 8 years, 7, 8, 9 years, has traded it back into us. Wanted to get a different classic to take to shows, cruise-ins, roll-ins, what have you. Like doing business with us, and we liked the car that they had purchased. Weren't afraid to trade it back in, so here we have it again. It's powered by a 350, like I said, underneath the hood. Nice equipment on it too. It's one of the reasons why this car is desirable. Power steering, power brakes. It does have AC. The AC has been converted, and I tried a little bit ago. The compressor does turn on and off. It's a little cooler in the building here today, so it's tough to tell if it's blowing very cold or not. It blows cool, but the one thing I can tell you is the compressor is turning on and off. Belt's all hooked up, everything's there. When I get around to the other side, we'll fire up, pop that hood, and let you check it out yourself. As you can see, nice straight car. Good fit and finish to this vehicle. The way the panels and everything fits. The white paint has a nice luster to it. I will point out something that you're going to see in the pictures. If you take a look at this interior, where you see these, what looks like fades or stripes, that's due to the lighting right now and how the lighting is coming in this building. Those are not in the fabric, I should say, actually vinyl. That is actually shadows. Again, just the way the lighting was when I pictured this car, and when we're doing the video here, it's kind of the time of day it is. That is not a stain, it's not fading, that is shadows in the vinyl. So the interior is in nice shape. So it's got the center console horseshoe shifter. The 350 under the hood is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Riding on some nice rally SS style wheels. Bright work on this does have a few imperfections, as you can see in some of these spots. Not terrible by any means. Still a very presentable car. This car sounds great. Feel free to check out the underside pics too. Look, appears to have all the original floor pans in it, everything underneath there. Take a look. We don't doctor them up or do anything with the undercoating and try to cover things up. You're going to see some old undercoating. You'll see some just grime from the years, but we haven't doctored anything up. You'll see that it's pretty solid underneath there. Check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Like to ask us any questions about this particular vehicle. As you know, financing is available if you've watched any of our other videos, and we do consider trades, and of course we can help with the transportation to wherever you're located at within the continental US here. If you take a look at this car up and around any of the wheel wells, I didn't really notice any bubbling, any rusting. Again, this was a nice car the first time we traded in. People that traded in here the second time have taken good care of this car, showed it, driven it, had some fun with it, and it was just time for something different to play with. See, the interior is also in very nice shape. Door cards, carpeting, dash, whole shebang. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Great running car. Like I said, horseshoe shifter, little temp gauge added below the dash there. Like I said, it is an AC car, and the compressor did turn on and off. Okay. Little aftermarket stereo added. You can see the wipers also work. around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes nicely. Great little rumble out of this 350. Doesn't smoke. Nice sound to it. Once again, still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second, pop that hood, let's check out the engine bay. Alright, got her off high idle, got the hood open. Check out this engine bay. You can see everything's intact for the AC. Like I said, the compressor is turning on and off when I'm trying it before. Power brakes, power steering. Nice and tidy engine bay. HEI ignition too, I noticed underneath there. You can see here where the AC has been converted. I'm going to slip around to the back so you can hear this on the low idle too. This car is just a very nice sounding car. Just a nice driver. Won't be afraid to get in this one and go. There you go. Listen to that rumble on low idle. There you have it. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. Little SS Tribute. A white and black striped car. Local trade-in here. Power steering, power brakes, AC 350 underneath the hood. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. And once again, check out the pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com.